Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and guess where we are? That's right, we're back in Vegas on the Strip, and today we're going to visit the Palazzo, which is a sister hotel and connected to the Venetian, both owned by the Sands, and both located on the northern end of the Strip. Both the Venetian and the Palazzo are a bit pricey and high-end, but they're all suites, and you get what you pay for. The Palazzo has a special place in my heart because that's where I stayed the last time I was on the Strip. Upon checking into the Palazzo, the person at the desk asked me for my driver's license and credit card, at which point I handed her a $20 sandwich. What's a $20 sandwich, you ask? Well, when you hand over your driver's license and credit card, just make sure there's a $20 bill folded in between the two. That is a $20 sandwich, and it's amazing what that $20 sandwich will buy you. A better view on a higher floor, early check-in time, and a later checkout time. And I suggest you arrange the checkout time while you're checking in. I'll give you a tour of my suite and what my $20 sandwich bought at the end of this video. And now a shout out to Tony201 fan who found Mitzi the rubber ducky showgirl on the last video from Vegas, which was the Park MGM Grand video. Great job, Tony. She was hard to find on that one. Just like Cabby in many of my New York videos, Mitzi the Las Vegas rubber ducky showgirl shows up on many of my Vegas videos, including this one. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's very elusive, so keep your eyes open for her. If you spot her, note the time and leave a comment below. We'll give you a shout out on our next Vegas video. For those of you with plans to visit exciting Las Vegas, I suggest the Floater's Las Vegas Guide. It's written by locals and has lots of insider tips. Lots of pull-out maps and descriptions that will help you plan your visit with ease. You can check it out by clicking on the link in this video's description. It's the best guide out there to Las Vegas, and I wouldn't leave home without it, neither should you. Good morning. This New York video has been brought to you by Audible, the world's largest selection of audiobooks. Listen anytime, anywhere you like to professionally narrated audiobooks, including bestsellers, new releases, sci-fi, romance, classics, and many, many more. Click on the link in this video's description for a free 30-day trial. As part of the trial, you get 2 free audiobooks to start with and 30% off any future audiobook purchases. Cancel anytime. Your books are yours to keep even if you do cancel. It's a great deal and you have nothing to lose by trying it out. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. On the right, you can click on my playlist of narrated photo videos or my playlist of walking 4K videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you around the city.